Yo, what's up everybody? It's KINGCAMRY. Welcome back to a brand new video. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe. We have a ton of things of the Camry, so make sure you guys subscribe so you don't miss out, man. So today we are finally gonna be installing some side skirts onto this bad boy, and it took hours and months of just research and trying to make the decision of actually trying to pick up something that I really wanted and knew that was gonna be durable. So I went ahead, and since we are Project TRD, why not get the TRD side skirts? These actually came from an Ice Edge Camry, and right now the paint is a little bit different. It is off, but I really don't mind because I did save a ton of money. And I was actually trying to decide between the Yofer ones and the ones that are a copy from the Japan version. And I went ahead and kind of spoke to a few people and just hear their experiences, and you know, they were actually experiencing breaking and just cracking in their side skirts, since they are just actually side skirt covers. They're not real side skirts, they're just covers, and they go over your OEM side skirt. And you know, I kind of was like, well, if I'm going to spend about $600, I'm probably like $300 in the part and then $400 in the paint. You know, I was like, nah, might as well get something that was going to last longer. And you know, that's just me, you guys, but they do look good without a doubt. I made my decision. I was like, okay, well, let's get them TRD side skirts. But after I went to the dealer and spoke to those guys, and they were just giving me a hard time and actually giving me the side skirt, they told me that it was gonna be about like $600, and that's not including paint. So it was about to be about $1,000 plus project, and I kind of like backed up a little bit, and I was just patient, to be honest. Toyota doesn't sell any TRD parts to anybody. They want to have proof. They want to make sure you guys actually own a TRD part. They want to make sure you guys actually have a TRD bin. So it is kind of hard to get those things. Luckily, I have never purchased anything from Toyota, so everything that I have gotten have just been through people that has owned TRDs. So the side skirts I did find was actually through OfferUp. Long story short, you guys, these side skirts were actually very well conditioned. They came from an Ice Edge Camry, and that's actually a color that's no longer going to be available for the TRDs. It's been replaced for that baby blue that looks very nice also. The reason I had to buy the whole TRD side skirt is actually because in order to get the TRD side skirts, you actually need the side skirt and the side skirt trim. And the reason that I actually picked up the whole TRD side skirt is because the TRD side skirt has like this little bracket, and the trim actually sits on this little bracket. I'm going to show you guys a picture so you guys can understand what I'm saying. So if you just get the trim of the TRD and want to install it onto your Camry that's OEM from Toyota, it's not going to work. You actually need to get the whole entire side skirt from the TRD. So I was very blessed. Your boy found this TRD side skirt, and I saved tons of money in this project. I do have a friend out in Florida that went ahead and spent almost near $1,000 in doing this, and I was just patient, and luckily the person that was selling it was local, so I saved a ton on shipping, I saved a ton on paint, and I also saved a ton on installation. So if you guys ever do manage to get yourself these side skirts, this video is gonna be very helpful for you guys. Unlike the side skirt covers, this one is a little bit more complex, but to me it wasn't that hard. You will have to remove the entire side skirt from your Camry and install the TRD side skirt with the TRD trim, and you guys will see in the video. So this is Project TRD. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. A lot more videos to come. Let's get to it.
Hey, yo, Ricky, it is the one.
I hope you guys really did enjoy this video. Please do not forget to show some love, comment, like, and subscribe. It's been your boy King Camry. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.